This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable video autoplay on the Facebook app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone open now and I am on the Facebook app. To enable or disable video autoplay on Facebook, first thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner, down to your little profile icon. You want to tap on that. Then you want to go up to the upper right hand corner and tap on the little gear wheel. Then on this page, you want to scroll down to the Preferences section, and in the Preferences section, right here, Media, you want to tap on Media. Then you'll scroll down just a little ways to where you see it says Autoplay in Feed and Stories. It gives you three different options. The top option, if you toggle that one on, when using cellular data and Wi-Fi. If you toggle that one on, it will work on your cellular data. The middle one is when using Wi-Fi only. And the bottom one is never. If you wanted to disable autoplay, you would toggle on never. That is how to enable or disable video autoplay on the Facebook app using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.